What if I told you the key to long-term wealth isn't in the stock market, but in livestock and garden beds? Sounds like something your grandpa would say, right? But here's the uncomfortable truth. While you're budgeting for crypto or index funds, the cost of actual food is eating into your future wealth. In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to show you why investing in chickens, goats, and garden soil could be the most powerful wealth move you ever make, and how it might just save your life. Welcome to a new way of thinking about wealth. Let's face it, you're not paranoid. You're paying more for less. Eggs, up 70%. Bread, nearly doubled in 2 years. And that organic avocado toast, you might as well finance it. At this rate, the next generation won't ask what kind of car you drive. They'll ask how many hens you own. But here's where it gets serious. We're in a silent war, a war of control. Whoever controls food controls people. Now ask yourself, do you want to be controlled or do you want to grow? Let's break the mold. We're told invest in stocks, but the wealthiest people on earth, they own land, they grow food, they raise animals. Why? Because food never goes out of style. It never crashes. It only becomes more valuable. Imagine this. Every morning you walk outside and collect eggs. In a year, your chickens pay for themselves and then some. A garden, $100 worth of seeds could feed you and your circle all year. Meanwhile, your buddy just spent $80 on DoorDash and a crypto coin called Food Moon Inu. Who's the real investor here? But this isn't just about savings. It's about freedom, control, resilience. Because when everyone else is panic buying, you'll be harvesting. And that is a wealthy mindset. Let's break it down. Phase 1, start small. 3 chickens equals 1,000 plus eggs a year. Raised beds equals low-cost, high-yield produce. Herbs grow on your windowsill. Instant ROI. Phase 2, expand. Rabbits or goats, perfect for small yards. Compost turns waste into wealth. Rain barrels, water security equals asset security. Phase 3, automate. Timers for watering. Self-feeding chicken coops. Solar power integrations. Now you might be thinking, okay, but what about city living? Stick around, because I'll reveal the urban solution that flips the script entirely. You won't believe what's possible in a one-bedroom apartment. You were told wealth was built in banks and brokerages. But true wealth is being able to feed your family when the shelves are empty. It's reclaiming your time, your land, your independence. It's freedom from fear and abundance right outside your door. And here's the twist. The same forces making food unaffordable, they're buying up the farms. They're consolidating control. BlackRock is quietly building an empire, not in tech stocks, but in tomatoes, wheat, and cattle. If you think this is about chickens and kale, you're not seeing the full picture. If you want to be truly wealthy, start here. Start small, grow steadily, and protect yourself from the chaos to come. And if you're ready to understand how the real power players are stacking the deck, watch this next. How BlackRock is quietly controlling the world. Trust me, you need to see this.